Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm going to do my first savings challenge stuffings for the new year. I have all of this money to stuff. This is from 2 completed challenges, and I unstuffed the 30 for 30 holiday countdown envelope that's been ongoing from last year, and I decided to end it. So I've got I think it's £530. Let's count. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, that's 520, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 10, 15, 20. It's £580. Plus I have £20 in £1 coins. I decided to start using my coins again. I'm going to start with the ones that I've had from last year. And I have the 3 months challenge here. I'm going to put £15 in here. I'll take that. The last time I did it, I only put £15 in, so that's why I marked off only half of the box. My Sagittarius challenge. I'll use a purple, and I'm going to do 2 stars. The stars are £5. The planet and stars are £5, so I'm going to do 2 stars. That's £10. On completion, this should be £350. Then I have the luck of the draw. I use the cards for that. Let's see what we have. I really do like this challenge. I don't know if I'm going to ever stop using it. I don't think I'd ever stop using roll the dice. And let's see. Okay, I'll do one in the front. 10 of clubs. Good. Let's mark a club off. And put £10 in there. I have the roll the dice that I love very much. I'm using orange and green, and I'm going to use the green and orange to colour it in. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, we've got a 4 and a 1, that's 5. 4 and a 1, that's 5. That's 9. 4 and 5 is 9. I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Great. I'll just put that back in there. And I'm going to use an orange for double the savings. I also like this one as well. Come on, let's get a nice big number. 2. So that's £4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's done. I do have £15, I believe, rollover. I've got plans for that. I extended the chain. I put some extra links on it so that it can hang over nicely on my binder, and it looks so cute. All right, so then we'll start with this one. I made this years ago and I just got them on my walls and stuff in the craft room. I thought I'd just attach it. It goes nice with the green. Well, here goes my new savings challenges. This is for January. It's £5 a snowflake and it will amount to £50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I'll put £20 in today. That goes in there. These were gifted to me from Cash and Spanglish, and this one is from Madeline Budgets, and I need to make a big impact on this one today. I think I want to do all the 60s. If I get my calculator out and see how much. So the first one is 60. And 63, 64, 65, 64, 60, 63. That's £439, and that's what I'm going to stuff today in this one. If I just mark these off, mark off all the 60s. I'm really looking forward to counting this up. Save 2023 in 2023. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84. So that's 400. 20, 30, 35, and 4 is 9. The reason why I chose this challenge. It's just so doable for me. 65 is the highest in here. I'm really happy to do this one in order for me to get to £2,023 by the end of the year. That goes in there, and so does the coins. That's lovely. This little calf saved £200 and she'll be getting 20 today. And let me see what colour I want. I think I want to colour her in yellow. And this one is from Cash and Spanglish again, the 52-week challenge, and it's very doable for me. On completion it'll be £650 and I'm going to put 20 in today. Let's colour that in orange. That is great. I have done my savings challenges, and what I want to do is put this as rollover. So that's £40, 42, 44, 46, £48 I've got in rollover. I've got lots for the next savings challenge, which will be the ending of the week. I think this is so adorable. Look at it. The extra links really look nice. That allows it to hang nicely over on the binder. I'm done here. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. I will be putting all of the sellers of these savings challenges in the description below, so if you'd like to go and have a look at those, feel free. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.